Hariom children, today I am going to discuss you about electrovalent bond. So what is electrovalent bond? The chemical bond, the chemical bond that is formed by transfer of electrons is called electrovalent bond. What is the meaning of this thing? Meaning of this thing is what? Transfer of electron takes place. Between what? Between metal and non-metal. And this bond takes place between what? Metal and non-metal. Always remember. Bond takes place between metal and non-metal. If I do suppose sodium, I will do the example, suppose formation of NaCl. Now in formation of NaCl, sodium is present, chlorine is present. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal. So if I do the structure of sodium here, 2, 8, 1. And chlorine if I do 2, 8, 7. So what happens? It needs one electron to lose to satisfy octet rule. It needs one electron to be accepted or gained to satisfy octet rule. So what will happen? One electron will transfer from sodium to chlorine. So when one electron transfer from sodium to chlorine, what will happen? In next diagram, what will happen? Next diagram. So this is diagram 1. Now next diagram, what will happen? This will be sodium ion 2, 8. 2, 8. So this is Na plus. So when it is accepted, this is 288. 288. This is Cl minus. This is what? Cl minus. When this is Cl minus, if I add this one, Na plus and Cl minus. So what will happen? This is a cation, this is anion. So cation and anion combine, what they form? NaCl. So its next diagram is only you just remove this and give the double arrow. So this is sodium chloride bond. So this is what? Electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. So this is all about your electrovalent bond. How electrovalent bond takes place. Now come covalent bond. Covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is what? The bond that is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons between non-metals. So between non-metals, what happens? If mutual sharing of electron takes place, then that bond is known as covalent bond. So let us understand this one by the help of one example. So if I give one example, formation of chlorine molecule, Cl2 molecule. When formation of Cl2 molecule I will do, chlorine molecule consists of 2 chlorine atom. So I will first do the orbital structure of 2 chlorine atom, 2, 8, 7. Another also 2, 8, 7. So this is one chlorine atom 287. This is another chlorine atom 287. So next step what they will do, they will mutually share. So when mutually share, these two electron will be counted for this also, this also. Now if I count the valency electron of this chlorine atom, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and this one 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So both are satisfying octet rule. So its next diagram will be what? 2, 8, 8. Okay, 2, 8, 8. So here 2, 8, 8. Now here remember that here both will be, and here remember that 2, 8, here you keep this cell, you make here like this. Yes, 2, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if I count this one, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. If I count this one, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So this is what? Chlorine molecule, Cl2 molecule. So in this way, you have to draw the formation of other molecule which contain covalent bond. So Hariam children, this much today.